My name is Andrea Paratto and welcome to Practical Solutions. Today's topic, dementia safety at home. Caring for a loved one with dementia at home can be rewarding and often challenging. The big question is, how do we keep them safe? Here are some tips to assist you in keeping your loved one with dementia safe while at home. Start with a physical and health awareness check. Do they have physical limitations? These can include unsteady gait, reduced range of motion, balance deficits, and poor vision. If your loved one shows signs of an unsteady gait or balance issues, try having them use a walker or cane to get around the house more safely. Reduced range of motion can sometimes make getting items from high and low places difficult. Put items that are most commonly used on counters in their line of vision. Poor vision can cause imbalance and end up resulting in a fall. Consult with their physician to see if they may need glasses or to make sure they have the correct prescription lenses. Make sure that you use lots of lighting throughout the house, such as night lights and path lighting, especially on the stairs and in high traffic areas. Declutter, but do not change the furniture around. The person living with dementia will find it easier to navigate the household safely when it looks the same all the time. Lock up any potentially hazardous items. These can include chemical supplies, breakables that might cause an injury, sharp objects that they may harm themselves on, such as knives, scissors, and razors. Anything that may cause injury. If they are susceptible to burning food or themselves while trying to cook, consider prepackaging meals that are easy to reheat in the microwave. But avoid TV dinners. They are high in sodium and may contain preservatives. Place a note on each meal for cooking instructions like, cook for 3 minutes on high in the microwave. Obtaining protective devices for the stove, such as locks for the stove knobs, can help prevent cooking injuries, or maybe even turn the gas off to the stove or unplug it. Put bright tape over buttons most commonly used on the microwave for safe cooking. Make sure all the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are in working order or installed. Put protective covers over outlets for safety and over thermostats to prevent them from changing the temperature in the house to harmful ranges. Now, what if your loved one is a wanderer? Install child safety devices in your home to keep the doors and windows secured. Try putting a door sensor alarm on the exit doors. Make sure any balcony doors or windows are locked at all times, especially in a high-rise building. If your loved one wanders out an exit door, the alarm will alert you to take action. Hiding items like purses, shoes, or glasses that the person would always take with them if they left the house. If they cannot find these items, they may alert you to them trying to leave. Make sure you lock all vehicles and keep the keys with you at all times. If you're not able to be with them all the time, consider a monitoring device with a camera so you can check on them throughout the day and night. It's a good idea to notify neighbors and local police about your loved one's tendency to wander, and ask them to call you if they see your elder wandering without supervision. If a police search does become necessary, you'll need a recent photo of the person's face. Also keep on hand some of their unwashed clothing to help search and rescue dogs. To do this, properly place the clothing in a plastic bag with plastic gloved hands and replace this clothing monthly. Another smart preventative measure is to sign up for the Alzheimer's Association's Safe Return program in the U.S., an identification system to help rescue lost Alzheimer's patients who may wander away. The telephone can be very beneficial for communication with your loved one, but what if they answer the phone call to a spam caller? What if they ask for their financial information and Social Security information? According to Consumer Reports, you can block solicitations. You can also opt out of commercial mail solicitations. You can arrange for a ban of 5 years at a time with the Direct Marketing Association's Mail Preference Service. To eliminate unsolicited offers to credit, go to www.optoutprescreen.com. Even a large bright colored sign next to the phone that may say something along the lines of, "Dad, do not give any of your information to anyone that calls. If they need information, have them call my phone number because I handle all your finances." Set up safeguards at the bank. If you're concerned about your loved one's financial decision making, set up a small account at a local bank for them. That account could, for instance, include a debit card and checking with a spending limit of, say, $200. That way, any other finances can be saved in a separate, more secure account. Many cell phones offer a whitelisting tool that may allow calls only from numbers in your contact list. Hopefully, these tips help you with keeping your loved ones safe while caring for them at home. Thank you for watching Practical Solutions, brought to you by Okra. Special thanks also to the Lantern Group for sponsoring this series. Be sure to visit okra.com and lanternlifestyle.com for more information.